So today we had 3 more lectures, but first I got up early and went to the gym, and me and Camilla got breakfast. Like, we bought breakfast because we get like flex points, which is basically just free money for buying food. And so I got a smoothie and avocado toast, and it was so good, oh my gosh. And then we walked to the lecture hall, and first we had another presentation on chemical and biomolecular engineering, and honestly I don't really think it's for me, but it was still interesting. But then after that, we had a talk about mechanical engineering, and so it was first half we were learning about this like 4-legged robot that they're doing, that they're going to train for like search and rescue and stuff, and that was kind of cool. But then they talked about prosthetics, and there was like this mechanical foot they were working on for both below the knee and like above the knee, and that was really cool. And so like I asked some questions, and that was definitely my most the most interesting one for me. It was really cool. And then we had lunch, and we got lunch, came back, and then we had another one on chemical and biomolecular engineering. But this time it had a focus on like food science, so that part was kind of cool, but I really don't like the chemistry aspect of it, so you know, it was interesting to listen to, but definitely not for me. And then we went to the like student study center, and I forgot to say yesterday, but we actually got our groups yesterday, so it's me and Alicia, which is great because we were already friends, and then 3 guys. And so our whole thing is to build a robot and program it to do a specific thing, like something that we want it to do, using one of or more of 4 sensors. So we're gonna have it write ND for Notre Dame on a piece of paper, and we're gonna use the ultrasonic sensor so that like once it gets to a certain point away from the wall, then it'll do the next command. So we were working on the coding for that, and the guys were working on the building. And then after that, we rushed to the dining hall so I could get some food before we had this SWE thing. It's Society of Women Engineers. And so we had this talk from like a woman engineer and about like what SWE is, and it was cool, but I was like so tired, and since they provided pizza there, they didn't give us nearly enough time to get dinner, so I was kind of rushed. But at least my friends went with me, so that was nice of them. And then after that, we speed walked back to the dorms because it was raining a little bit, and then it was storming later. But we went back inside, and we had to write a report for the day because the day had been jam-packed before that, and it's due tomorrow. So we wrote our report, and it was easier than yesterday because I really liked the mechanical one. And then we just hung out. We had a movie night, although my friends and I didn't actually watch the movie. We played card games, and it was really, really fun. So I have some new ones to teach you guys. It's golf and cash. So yeah, but it was a really fun day.